Previously on Bronco Garage.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, Monster Mike here, and I've got Brian the mechanic hanging out with us today. What's up,
What's going
Brian?
on, Michael? We having fun yet?
Yeah, we're doing good. Obviously, you all saw the epic failure with Huck. Yeah, the rear end has just completely been destroyed. And of course, you know, if you guys are just tuning in, this is probably news to you, but we have been posting this on social media as well.
Yes, we have. Just a couple times.
So a lot of you are probably wondering, well, what exactly happened? Well, let's just build up to that here for just a second first. You know, because Huck has been an amazing driver. I mean, it's really come a long way.
It's been great.
Yeah.
It's actually been one of the funnest cars we've kind of thrown together right now. We've got, it handles well. It's got great power.
Yeah.
It hauls ass when you want it to.
Yeah.
And it sounds amazing.
Right.
So we were kind of getting to this point where we're kind of feeling like we can do anything with this car.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's been jumped, it's been drag raced. I mean, it's had all kinds of things thrown at it.
And it's done very well
Yeah.
at each and every one of these things.
We've 0 and 60 tested, brake tested numerous times. I mean, it's just taken a beating and just saying, what?
Yeah, come back for more.
Right.
Yeah, what's
That's
next?
Right. That's right. So naturally, I thought, Huck is invincible.
Turns out it's not.
No, not really, but we certainly thought it could handle anything we threw at it. Yeah, but the question is how's the housing? How's the torque tamer?
So, torque tamer is great. It's not bent. The titty bob is a little tweaked.
Okay.
But I think
It did its job, though. It didn't fail.
it did not fail. And the housing is totally straight.
Okay.
So, housing's good. Axles are good. Torque tamer's good.
So we're not talking about the elephant in the room here, right? Which is the floor, the bed of the truck.
Okay, so yeah, the bed of the floor is a little damaged.
That's where we got into this situation. You know, we were drag racing with the duck.
Drag racing the duck.
And absolutely spanking it.
And beating it.
Yep, which was surprising to me because the duck is a very well-built machine.
Yes.
So we kind of want to give you like a little play-by-play of what actually went down.
Send it to 4,500. Okay. Sweet spot, baby. What the fuck?
Never saw that coming. Why'd you do this?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I was the one driving, but I'm certainly not the one who said to do it.
I just coached how to do one.
Yeah, that's good coaching, by the way.
Well, you know, that's only so much I can do over the phone.
Yeah, probably should have had you walk down, look at the track, see that it was hard pack, and maybe make some adjustments.
Yeah.
Maybe in another 5 years, we could have it back together.
Well, I mean, if we're going to go on Monster's timeline, it's going to be at least a decade.
Okay.